Right. Okay. So let's do sign number conversion. Right. I have here I have 5 example. Right. So for example, if you want to do plus 20, plus 10, minus 15, minus 8, and minus 50, and we want to represent this number into sign magnitude form or one's complement form and or two's complement form, what do you have to do? So first we have to convert, of course, the decimal into binary. So we will use 8 bits. In other words, let's arrange the weight for 8 bits. For 8 bit, the weight is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. Or better to give some space there. Okay. 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6. And the next one is the sign bit. So for plus 20 in decimal is equal to, this is actually a 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. Okay, so plus 20 is actually simply 16 plus 4, that's already 20, so the rest of the number is 0, like that. And then because this is a positive number, so the sign bit has to be 0. So this is already in sign magnitude form. So simply write as 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now for positive numbers, positive 20, one's complement and two's complement, you don't have to do anything. It will be the same. So that means plus 20 in one's complement remains 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. And two's complement for plus 20 is also the same. Yeah, so you basically you don't have to do anything. Similarly, if you have plus 10, right? Now plus 10, let me clean this whiteboard. For plus 10, meaning obviously I can just start with the sign because it's a plus. So it has to be 0. 0, 0, 0, and 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0. So in magnitude form, because it is a positive number, so you don't do anything. Just simply copy 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, sorry, forgot. 1, 0, 1, 0. Same here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And here also 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So sign bit is 0. Now we have negative 15. Okay, let me just make it clear here. I'll just use different color. So 16, right? So for negative 16, first you have to convert, negative 15. So to get the value negative 15, I can just write negative. Let me keep the negative. So the sign bit, I just put 0. So negative, positive. 15 is basically 1, 12, 14, 15. And the rest is 0, right, for the 8 bit. So if you want to convert into sign magnitude form, simply you don't use the sign anymore, just replace the sign with 1 and this one remain, because basically these are the magnitude, right? So you have 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1, 1. Now if you want to do in one's complement, the name one's complement means the whole bit you complement including the sign bit. So that means 1 becomes 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that will be negative 15. Right? Straightforward. So that means it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now what about now for two's complement, your reference is here. Yeah, you have to refer to the binary, not the one's complement. So from the binary, you copy the first one, so that means 1, and then the rest of this one you invert or you complement, including the sign bit. So it becomes 0, 0, 0. The first, only this one you copy, and the rest you invert, so it becomes 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is 2's complement. So that means this one become 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. And if you want next example, right, that's done for minus 15. Now next example, minus 8. Minus 8. Now minus 8 is actually negative 8. Only 8, so 0, 0, 0. So here is 0, 0, 0. I can put negative because I still keep the negative sign. So now if I want to put it into sign magnitude form, simply copy the whole thing and just replace this one to 1. So this is copy. Right. Because sign magnitude means you copy the magnitude. So they become 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 0, 0, 0. So you can see the negative 8 simply by looking at the negative. But if you want the 1's complement for negative 1, what you have to do is convert the whole thing, yeah? Or invert the whole bits. So that means it all become 1, all this become 1, 1, this all become 1, my pen, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that means 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now, if you want to do 2's complement, what do you have to do? The method is actually you copy the first from starting from the least significant bit position, copy the whole zeros until you see the first one. So that means 0, 0, 0, 1, and the rest you invert, including the sign bit. So that means including the significant bit, the most significant bit. So it become 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is in 2's complement. So I just copy here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Last but not least, our example is negative 50. So how do we convert negative 50? Right, let me just I just use this color. Now negative 50. Now how do we get negative 50? Definitely you need 32. And then 32 plus 16 is 48. So still less than 50. So 50 minus 48, so 2. So the rest is 0. Right? So you don't use this, put it 0, and you can put the sign bit 0, but keep the negatives that you remember the number is still a negative number. Now if you want to do to sign magnitude form, as I said, simply take the whole magnitude and change the sign into 1. So that means I can just do it as here 1, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 0, 1, 0. Now if I want to get the if I want to get the okay, I want to get the 1's complement, simply invert the whole thing. So that means if I invert the whole thing, including the sign bit, it become 1, 1, 0, 0, and here become 1, 1, 0, 1. Now if I want to take 2's complement, here you see 0, copy, copy, and then the whole thing inverts. So invert means become 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, like that. So it becomes 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. And if you remember last time I mentioned, now just for checking, okay. Let me. Now, if you remember last time, I did mention that 2's complement is actually equal to 1's complement plus 1. So what you can see is, let's try an example, check. Right? Now if you take, for example, negative 15, 1, 1, 0, 0, this is negative 15, 1, 1, 0, 1. If you add 1 to it, so you got 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So you will get the 2's complement. So this is 1's complement. You add 1 and you got 2's complement. Okay, similarly this number, if you add 1 to this number, you get this one. Okay? And if you add 1 to this number, you will get this 2's complement. So that is another way of doing it. But I think if you just want to get 2's complement, just do it straightforward.